my new best friend, Missy. She's the coolest. Give it a try.
That's okay. I'll just take the stairs.
Uh-oh. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Wow!